Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope you are always happy. Here we will talk a little about agriculture, especially in our beloved country Indonesia. With me, Ahmad Durdiansah, and my partner.
My name is Apangur Anas.
Okay, go ahead and please watch.
Uh, how important is farming in your country?
It is very important because agriculture is the lifeblood of the nation. One of them is per community food availability. In addition, the agricultural sector is the sector that absorbs the most labor in Indonesia.
And is farming in your country in a good health?
It, in my opinion, agricultural conditions in Indonesia are still not healthy, but are in the process of developing towards good and modern agriculture. The causes are unfavorable natural conditions, for example, due to change in climatic conditions caused by global warming. In addition, there are still many farmers who apply conventional agriculture, which is very massive using chemical, fertilizer and pesticide. But now, many farmers are starting to implement environmentally friendly organic farming.
And what crop are grown in your country?
In Indonesia, almost all types of plants can be planted and grow optimally. Commodities or types of plants usually vary according to the region. For example, in the province of Western Responsibility, there is Karawang as an area that almost entirely grows rice. And there is Lembang, which is a center for vegetables.
Hmm. And what livestock are kept in your country?
The most common and many are cow, goats, duck, chicken, buffalo, and many other livestock.
Do you think farming offers a good quality of life?
Yes, of course, because farming is directly related to nature and farming also indirectly helps provide food for many people. I often hear this term: trade if you want to be rich, farm if you want prosperity, and be a teacher if you want to be useful.
Uh, how different in agriculture around the world?
It's very different because agriculture adapts to the surrounding natural condition and the tradition of the people.
What do you think? What do you think about farming GM crops?
GM crops. In my opinion, GM crops are quite profitable because they can create plants that are resistant to pests and have high productivity.
Uh, how can subsistence farming become more profitable?
Because subsistence farming is more focused on the crops that are needed.
Uh, and what do you think about in intensive farming method used in rich countries?
Intensive agriculture is actually not environmentally friendly, but with good management, this agriculture will be quite beneficial.
Uh, and then Do you think farming crop for biofuel is a good idea?
Very good, because it is quite useful and has a bring market prospect to get a good profit.
Uh, Thank you for answering my question. Now I got a little enlightenment.
You're welcome. Now I will ask a few questions about a few things. One question, number one, what are the challenges facing the agricultural industrial today?
The challenge faced today are quite a lot. One way of which is the lack of interest of the younger generation in agriculture, so that the regeneration of farming is hampered.
Next, number two, does agriculture help or add to global warming?
Uh, for, for now, it might be yes, because modern agriculture cannot be separated from chemical fertilizer and pesticide, and there is also deforestation for agricultural land.
And number three, do you want to be a farmer?
Yes, because organically and environmentally friendly, we can save to the world.
Okay. Number four, do you think we could save the world if we all went back to farming?
Yes, by farming organically and environmentally friendly, we can save the world.
Number five, are you interested in agriculture news?
Yes, because the news is not boring.
Okay. Would you rather work on a dairy farm or a vegetable farm?
Fertile agriculture.
What do you know about animal husband? Sorry,
Uh,
sorry, sorry. Number seven. Question number seven. What do you know about animal husbandry?
Namely agribusiness activities by utilizing livestock such as cow, goat, and other.
Okay. Number eight. Does agriculture help first the countryside?
Yes, because in rural areas, agriculture is the main source of livelihood.
Okay. Do you think the government should en- encourage more organic farming?
Yes, because with organic farming we can get healthy food and farm without damaging environmental ecosystem.
Okay. Last question. What do you understand by the term urban agriculture?
This is an agribusiness activity in urban areas to produce food and produce more oxygen for the city.
Okay. Thanks for the really awesome answer, and I am very impressed. Okay, that's all a little story about agriculture according to our version. Hopefully useful and you are always happy. Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.